Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Hayday on your MacBook. Since Hayday is designed exclusively for mobile devices, there isn't a native Mac application available. The most reliable and direct method to enjoy this popular farming game on your computer is by utilizing an Android emulator. This software creates a virtual Android environment right on your MacBook, enabling you to download and play mobile games just as you would on a smartphone or tablet. First, you will need to download a trusted Android emulator. BlueStacks is a popular choice, known for its optimization for Mac OS, offering a great gaming experience. Before downloading, quickly check that your MacBook meets the emulator's system requirements to ensure smooth gameplay. Once downloaded, simply follow the straightforward installation wizard to get the emulator set up on your computer, which usually takes just a few minutes. With your emulator installed, the next step is to get Hayday itself. Launch the Android emulator on your MacBook. You will then need to sign in with your Google account to access the Google Play Store, just like on an Android phone. Once logged in, use the search bar to find Hayday and proceed to install the game. This process is identical to installing any app on a mobile device and should be completed in a few moments. To enhance your Hayday experience, take a moment to optimize your emulator settings. You can often adjust resource allocation, such as CPU cores and RAM, to ensure smooth performance. Leveraging your MacBook's keyboard and mouse will provide much more precise control for farming, trading, and managing your farm. Additionally, enabling a higher frame rate within the emulator settings can offer a visually smoother and more enjoyable gameplay experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.